Unique, good, color, teach the dancers of it. Shakespeare asks me how the dancers are neat. Set your hand like you a skip and barely lift your feet. All the blind man a do it.
All right, so you see all of that on your screen? Not happening. Sorry. Because when it comes to public spaces, everybody is staying at home, nobody wants to go on the road. But what does that mean for the gym? Should you skip out on your workout session? And how can you carry it home without the machines and a trainer? Well, here to tell us about that, manager of Harden Fitness, Marsha Redwood, and trainer Philip Grove, are going to give us some tips about staying at home and staying in shape. Morning.
Morning.
Marsha, the gym is a place where people frequent because, carnivals are around the corner.
Was around the corner.
Come on, was around the corner.
Right.
And, people come in all the time. What have you seen since the announcement by the Prime Minister?
Well, what we actually have done at Harden is that we've actually upped our sanitation. So generally we are known for our cleanliness at Harden in the body. Any member of Harden can tell you that we're generally a very clean gym. But because of the high traffic areas, the doorknobs, the handrails, we've actually implemented wiping the handrails every hour. So that, high traffic, we don't pass on anything else. Also, we've encouraged our members to sanitize the machines before and after every use. Okay. And we also send our auxiliary staff in to make sure that it's cleaned more often. We've ordered antibacterial soap for the bathrooms, encouraged hand washing. We've always had hand sanitizers throughout the gym. Every floor has a hand sanitizer. We've encouraged our members to use the hand sanitizers throughout the gym.
So people are still coming to the gym?
People are still coming to the gym. We've seen a very small decrease in freezes, especially with the older crowd that have concerns, obviously, for that. And what we've also done is suspend our group fitness classes because of the proximity of working out. But our gym is 10,000 square feet, so I believe you can have a corner for yourself and work out and you can spin around and not have anybody coughing or sneezing close to you.
Okay, so know that for those who are afraid to come to the gym and don't want to leave home, we're talking about home workouts now.
Right.
Is it that you send them the home workouts, your members, you send it to them? Or how does that work?
Well, that generally would be something they'd have with their trainer, a conversation with their trainer. But we also encourage people to come and work on our turf. We have a turf, that's a big open space that they can come. Some people that don't want to go in the physical gym, they can come on the turf and they can get, coordinate with their trainers via WhatsApp, email, whatever, just to get their workout done.
Okay, Philip. Yes. You're a trainer and I don't want to come. I'm your client and I don't want to come to the gym. What will I be doing at home in the next 14 days that we're,
I mean, we have different mode of communication. Well, we are now in the age of technology, so we can utilize WhatsApp calling or Skype, So for those who want to do that. Or if you just want me to write your program and send you something, for those who know what to do, know what the exercises are, then that is done.
Okay, but how do I stay motivated? Because the point of going to the gym and having a trainer, so somebody say, 10 more push-ups. And when you reach 10, them start count to 10 again. If you don't have that motivation, how will it work being at home?
Well, you have your trainer's number. You call your trainer, you utilize, as I said before, the WhatsApp call and whatnot. So he'll be there to motivate you just the same. He or she will be there to motivate you just the same.
So I put my trainer on speakerphone.
Yeah, man.
And then, okay.
Right. Or you can do a Instagram Live.
Instagram Live,
yeah,
WhatsApp video call.
So we have all of these things you can utilize.
All right, so we have some equipment here. You going to show us some exercises?
Yeah, definitely, of course. Things you can do at home. We carried our sanitization materials.
Yeah, man, you can get it done.
Definitely.
Show the...
All right, so glove, but we're not going to utilize this now. But definitely utilize your gloves. You spray. You can spray your mats. Good. And the weights, of course, if you so desire.
What's in the bottle?
It's actually the sanitizer that we use in the gym. It's a new foam brand. It's actually a non-corrosive sanitizer, similar to probably a Lysol. So what it does, we can use it on the machine without it damaging the buttons and the metal rust. Right.
Okay. All right, so we sanitize our workout mats.
Right.
Then.
So we have a pair of dumbbells here. For those who are at home, if you have dumbbells, you can utilize them to do a bunch of exercises. So what I'll be showing you now is some compound exercises that you can do. We'll start first by doing a squat push press. So hands up in the air like this. Good, definitely. You're squatting and you press when you come up. So squat and press. So that's one exercise that you can do. Then you have the lunge and bicep curl. So you can step back, curl, good, curl, definitely. So those are two exercises that you can do at home. For the warm-up purposes, before you get into all of that, there's a good old burpee exercise. So, you don't know what it is?
Not my favorite one. I know it.
Yeah.
Sakina's
Not everybody's favorite, but it's very good.
No, Sakina's very good at it.
That's-
Burpees, yeah, man.
But for those who don't know, let me demonstrate what a burpee is. So it's basically getting down, legs out, in, and jump.
Okay.
So let's do that a little bit faster. So, good?
Easy stuff.
Easy stuff.
Can manage that. Can manage that. All right, so Marsha, for those who don't know where Arden Fitness is, Arden Gym Fitness Factory, where can they find you?
Oh, we are on Arden Road, 79 Arden Road. In Arden Emirates, we're actually 3 floors. Our first floor is the cardio room, very nice cardio room. Our second floor is our aerobics room, and our third floor is the weight room and turf.
All right, so, I mean, outside of the gym, outside of fitness now, as a Jamaican, what are your thoughts about everything that's going on now?
Praying for the best, generally. Just by myself, I'm also a germaphobe, so I didn't have to buy all the soap, buy all the hand sanitizer.
Because you already had that.
I already had it. So just a reminder to wash your hands more often. And, you know, like little things that people wouldn't recognize that they do is that you have your phone in your hand all day and you dirt up your phone, put on your face,
Right.
like what I've done. When I'm in public places, I use my phone on speakerphone, so I don't have my phone on my face. And I cleanse my phone every evening when I get home with sanitation wipes and stuff like that, because you don't know what you're exposed to as well. And I bathe more often as well. Wash off all the germs from the day.
For those who have water, right?
Yeah, so not only fitness advice, but general advice for health. Manager of Arden Fitness, Marsha Redwood, and trainer, Philip Groves. The talk turns to dirty money when we get back from the break. But first, let's add some heat. Let's add some heat to things. Della Move from Chronix, which was dropped yesterday.